can see it a little bit here. So it's kind of faint all around the other chip, all around the other IC chips, just like this one here. Gold on the capacitors. There's even gold here where the battery's connecting to. So this one's not bad, not as good as NHL93. NHL93 was very prominent. You were able to see the gold shining through. So looks like the hockey games, the NHL series, has some nice gold in it. Let's see if we can bust up this Turbo Challenge Lotus game. See, it has this weird, what the hell you call this, security bit, kind of triangle, pyramid type thing. See if we can bust it open, forcibly bust it open. There you go, got it. Almost got it. There you go. There you go. That was a little difficult, but we got it at the end. So this one's kind of like a smaller version of the NHL 95. Very faint gold all around here, all around the connectors. A little bit of gold over here. This little capacitor has some gold too. Gold pins everywhere. Over here, full set. So, yeah, overall, the earlier ones have obviously a lot more gold. Like, see, this one's from 1992. And if we take College Slam, which is from 1996, there's like no gold at all over here. Like, they haven't even soldered them on this side compared to the other ones. They just soldered them in the back. Yeah, see, SEA, for example, NHL 95 has the gold, but it's all faint. So that's about it.